How you doing, everyone? It's your guy Affinity 8 back with another world weather update. Situation here off of Taiwan. Typhoon Kong Rey is approaching, fast approaching, and will arrive tomorrow, Thursday, morning to midday. I'm posting now because it's just been upgraded. I was watching it last night and it was looking to me like it should have been a Category 3 then, and they were still saying Category 2, so I've been keeping an eye on this thing. If we look at the world satellite for a second, up here, it's taken up quite a bit of real estate. The size of it, it's very large. If we look at the close-up, it's got a really large eye on it. It's slightly disorganized, center of it, but it's very large and it's rotating very quick. Super high cloud tops as well. If we look at the cloud tops here, and now I'll just go to tracking. First of all, check out the pressure, because the pressure has dropped dramatically since I was watching like 8 hours ago, not even. Yes, so that was 1 a.m. Pressure dropped to 948, and it's gone down again since then to 941, but dropped even more, expected to drop even more later on today. 937, 935, 935. So this thing is picking up speed, and quickly. So it's expected to slightly weaken before making landfall southern Taiwan, but this one should be taken very seriously, because look at the wind speeds. Over 100 knots, 91 knots, and that's Thursday late morning, Thursday 31st late morning. Even here, while making landfall, still over 100 knots. A lot of that frontal impact will be between Shandong and Jingpu, Changbin, because that wind is coming straight in that way. Yeah, that's saying 95 knots. I know they had, Typhoon Krathon come through a month ago. near Kaohsiung and Donggang. I reported on that one. Now, this will be worse than that. That one was weakening from a Category 4. I don't see this one weakening, to be honest. That's saying, I'll look at what the wind is saying in a second. So yeah, a lot of that frontal impact will be in this region here. I'll see if I can see how close I can get it. Yeah. But then again, when it comes through, on the back side of it as well, the system is literally bigger than Taiwan itself, so a lot of wind coming in on the back side as well. Taichung. Donghe, Chenggong, so it's not expected to clear until, yeah, even coming in from the south, not expected to clear until Friday, midday. Friday 1st, midday. And it's going to move north towards China by the look of it. Oh, scraping. Near Wenzhou, Daizhou. Late Friday. Before heading towards Japan by the look of it. Saturday the 2nd. Extremely weak by then. It will just be a low, tropical low. So I'll just have a look at what Windy said about this, because they're expecting it to weaken to a Category 2. I can't see it happening, to be honest. Especially with the hectopascal so low, and it's expected to drop even more, which normally means it's intensifying. Category 4, so they've just upgraded it to a Category 4. It was a Category 3 when I was looking just an hour ago. Category 4. Now it shows on here going down to a Category 2. But if we look at the actual intensity of it, it doesn't look to be weakening to me. Maybe a Category 3 at landfall? Because winds are still over 100 knots. And normally, 110 knots there. That's normally like Category 3 stuff. So there's the tracking of it. Currently 126 knots. That's like 240 kilometers an hour. That's bad. 110 knots here, still over 200 kilometers an hour. Yeah, even there, 100 knots. Even if it's coming in there at 180 kilometers an hour is still really bad for a small spot. And there's going to be massive amounts of rain dropped as well because it's weakening again, just like Krathon did. So stay away from low-lying areas, but more wind than Krathon, so stay away from falling trees, power lines, anything. Find strong buildings away from coastal areas, stay away from low-lying areas. Brick buildings, strong roofs, always the best. Yeah, from what I saw, like Krathon was weakening really quickly. But it took a long time to reach Taiwan, Krathon did. So it had time to weaken, but this doesn't look like it's got time to weaken to me. And the fact they're showing it increasing pressure to me says that it's not weakening quick enough. So I would say about weak to mid-range category 3 when making landfall. I'll just have a look at the rain charts in a second. Yeah, it's still that's very strong. And it's all pointed in that one area there. Alright, so I'll get rid of that. And that. Now we can look at the rainfall. Wow, that is crazy. So yeah, a lot more rain than Krathon as well, by the looks of it. Whoa, 130 millimeters. And it starts early Thursday. Wow. Wow, 160 millimeters. Heads up Taiwan, the whole landmass is up for a drenching by the look of it. Even down the south when it passes. $90 millimeters. So yeah, this is where the main amount of wind and rain is going to be coming in. Look at all the lightning strikes there too. So it's going to be extreme thunderstorm activity as well, and massive rain. So it's a 3-in-1. High wind, massive rain and thunderstorm and lightning as well, affecting like 90% of the island. Not clearing until Friday midday. Look at the size of this thing. Yeah, not worth risking it for this one. This will be worse than Krathon. Way worse. Yeah, see, if I posted a video yesterday, I would have posted it saying it was going to be a Category 2, which I didn't think it would be. So that's why I waited, and this is going to be a more realistic diagnosis of this system, which is not, to me, not going to be a Category 2. Well, that's all I've got for now, so stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.